In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to suppress profiles on Klaviyo. This is a quick and handy process that will take us about 5 minutes. Suppressing profiles can be particularly useful if you're looking to stop sending emails to certain contacts without having to permanently delete their data. This ensures that the profiles are preserved for future use, should you decide to reuse them later. To get started, the first thing you need to do is log into your Klaviyo account. Once you're logged in, you'll want to navigate over to the Audience tab, which you'll find in the menu on the left-hand side. Under this tab, click on Profiles. This section is where all your contact profiles are stored. Now, you'll want to search for the specific profile you wish to suppress. You can do this by typing in either the email address or the name associated with the profile directly into the search bar. Once you've located the profile you're interested in, click on it to open it. With the profile open, look towards the top right corner of the screen. Here you'll see a drop-down menu labelled Profile Actions. Go ahead and click on that drop-down menu to see a list of options. From this list, select Suppress Profile. This option is what allows you to take the profile out of active circulation without deleting it, thus keeping all the information intact for reference or future use. After selecting Suppress Profile, you will be prompted to confirm the suppression. This confirmation step is crucial as it ensures you've made the right decision and haven't selected a profile by mistake. Once you're certain, click Confirm to finalize the suppression, and there you have it, a simple and effective way to suppress profiles on Klaviyo. By suppressing instead of deleting, you keep your email list clean and compliant with email marketing best practices while retaining valuable data. Remember, suppressing a profile means it won't receive any communication from you unless you decide to unsuppress it later, which provides great flexibility in managing your audience. This approach prevents potential over-communication and helps you maintain a more organized and effective email marketing strategy. I hope this guide has been helpful, and if you have any other questions or need further clarification, feel free to explore Klaviyo's support resources or comment below. Thank you for watching and see you next time.